What it do, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is all about organizing my bathroom. But before we get started, let me point out some things that I got from the container store. I got this container to put my my combs and my brushes for this was like $4. Something just dropped. I got this container from the container store also, and this was $3. And it's for like my hair accessories. And the one that I'm super excited about is this expendable drawer divider. And this was $19. And I am so happy. So this is it. I hope I don't break this. And this is how you expand it, right? Wait. Oh, great. Oh, wait. Oh, great. Oh, great. I don't know what I did. Let's read the instructions. Okay, well, on that note, I'm just gonna try to figure this thing out. Oh, wait, no. Huh? What the hell? Y'all. Damn. I don't know what I did. I don't know how to connect this. Yeah. Let's look at the second one. Hopefully I don't mess this one up. Let me see how they did this one. Okay. Oh, duh. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. Alright, so let's get this video popping. Okay, so we got this drawer that's already organized. I got this tray from Amazon. It is 2 different trays. So I started this drawer. I organized this drawer like 3 months ago. So now we have to organize this drawer. Yeah. And then we also have to organize this drawer. Alright, let's get going.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
I kind of low-key regret starting this project because I'm tired. And I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of junk. A lot of junk.
So empty, hey, do you need me go back?
Even though I was so tired and I felt like I could not finish this project, I just can't leave my place messy, so why not just finish it and just relax and drink my wine later on. I am finally done and satisfied. The first drawer was already organized, so let's move on to the second drawer. I love the outcome of this drawer. Here's how I utilize the expendable dividers. I pretty much separated my feminine products, hair accessories, combs, lotions, and deodorants. The third drawer has all my hair products. I used to do hair in the past, but now I just do my own hair, so I need a drawer solely for my hair products.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel.
I would have loved to have 2 sliding drawer organizers under this sink, but the Container Store was sold out. However, these 2 baskets did the tricks. So check out the before and after. Alright, my beautiful people, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your fellow mates. Until next time, my beautiful peeps, peace out.
If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go